If you want to create a more consistent, professional look across your MailChimp campaigns, the brand kit is one of the best places to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Brand Kit in MailChimp, how to import your brand assets from your website, and how to customize everything manually if needed. By the end, you'll know how to set up your logo, brand fonts, brand colors, images, and button styles so your emails match your business perfectly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple MailChimp tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the page loads, sign in using your account credentials. After you're inside your account, you'll land on the MailChimp dashboard. From here, look for the content section in the left-hand menu and click it. This is where MailChimp keeps your media files, brand assets, and creative tools, so it's the right place to begin. Inside the content area, click Brand Kit. The Brand Kit is where you store the visual identity for your brand, including your logos, fonts, colors, and even button styles. If you've already added something before and want to start fresh, click Reset Brand Data first. This clears the existing brand settings so you can rebuild your kit from scratch. After that, enter your website URL into the field provided. Then click Import Brand. MailChimp will now scan your website and try to automatically detect your brand assets. This is a very useful shortcut because it can pull in colors, fonts, and other design elements directly from your site. If MailChimp finds the right details, you can use them right away. If it doesn't catch everything, don't worry because you can fine-tune it manually. If the automatic import doesn't find all of your branding, choose Setup Manually. This gives you full control over every part of your brand kit. You can upload your logo, choose your brand fonts, set your brand colors, and add images if needed. Take your time here and make sure the style matches your website, social media, and overall brand identity. The goal is to keep everything consistent so your audience recognizes your business instantly across every campaign. Now let's move on to one of the most important parts, button styles. Open button styles inside the brand kit. Here you can customize how your buttons will look in your emails and campaigns. You can choose the background color, text color, border style, and corner radius. These small details make a big difference in how polished your emails feel. Pick styles that match your brand and make your calls to action stand out clearly. Once you've finished setting everything up, click Done. MailChimp will save your changes automatically, so you don't need to worry about manually saving each section. Your brand kit is now ready to use, and your campaign design will be much easier and more consistent moving forward. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Brand Kit in MailChimp, import your branding from your website, and customize your assets manually when needed. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next MailChimp guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.